Alrighty boys, we're back. Time to cook them up. You keen?
Yummy, yummy!
Alright, so first step, fire up the barbie after the initial first step. Alright, so we're cooking up 3 different types of fish for you guys. Coral trout, stripey, and a bit of grassy sweetlip. We're going to do it in 3 different crumbs or varieties, and we're going to give Kaylee May the master job of being the taste tester. So hopefully...
I'm the queen.
You are the queen. So the queen gets to pick which one's the best. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Kaylee, so what are you going to do here, mate?
Crack it.
Crack an egg? You're going to do that into the bowl? This could be a disaster.
I like cracking it.
Do you know how to do it?
Yes. Oopsie.
Good job. Beat it like it owes you money. Alright, you done whipping that egg?
No.
No.
I like you whipping it. I'm right-handed.
Really? That's good.
Which
Good.
one's right?
The one on your right hand side.
This one?
Yep.
Don't slap me!
I'll do what I want. I'm the captain. So coral trout we'll do in the lightly seasoned fish. Stripey will go in the southern fried chicken. And the sweet lip we're going to do in this one, which is from the Carnivore Candy Store. Me mates just opened this shop up in Townsville, guys, so if you're local...
Outdoor outlaw.
That's right, the Outdoor Outlaws. So go and check those guys out. Give them a follow on Instagram and all that stuff. And tell them SkidPig sent you. So, egg's nearly done.
No.
Yes, it is. We'll crumble all this stuff up. We'll get it on there. We're going to do 3 different batches. And we'll see what the queen reckons is the best.
I'm done. I'm just going to give it 1 moment. Hello.
Okay, so we got our coral trout cut up into nuggets. We've got our other fish here ready to go. The breadcrumbs are in their bags. The eggs whipped up with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, because you can't go wrong. So we'll whip them up in their breadcrumbs, get them all crumbed, chuck them on the barbecue, and then you can tell us which is the best flavour in the world. What do you reckon? Done? Knuckles? You didn't even do it. Knuckles? Knuckles? Knuckles?
Ow.
Knuckles? Wow, you suck at that.
You do shaking, I do grabbing, okay?
Okay. Alright, you put the trout in the bag. That's your job.
That's cold.
Don't put lots of egg in there, just grab the fish. 6 hours later.
Yummy.
All our fish bagged up, ready to cook. Let's chuck them on the barbie.
Oh.
Smell good?
Can I have something?
Yep, same.
I got the biggest chunks I could find.
Good stuff.
So you don't burn yourself.
Ah, thanks. Alrighty guys, all done. Here comes the taste tester. We'll see which one's the winner. So we've got them all separate so we know which one is what. So I won't mess this tray up. Alright boys, it's time for the taste test. We've got the taste tester down there. She's keeping her eyes closed, so it's a surprise apparently, even though she has no idea what they are. But anyway, let's get into it.
Can I open my eyes now?
Sure. Let's get cracking. Alright.
Can I choose one?
Yep. Here we go. 3 different species of fish cooked, same method with different flavoured crumbs. You know what they are. She doesn't. Let's see.
Can I choose one?
Okay, try the one up the top first.
Okay.
Pick a piece.
This one.
Have a bite. What do you think? Pretty good?
Mhm.
You like it? Okay, you finish eating that bit. Try the second row.
Gooder.
It's gooder. You like that better? Really?
What one do I really like? What
don't know. You're going to tell me, so keep eating.
Gooder.
You like that one better so far? Alright. Well, you finish that one up and then you can try the last batch. Oh, that was quick. Okay. Grab one from the last row.
What? This one's a big.
Bit hot?
Yes. That.
What do you reckon?
The same as the top one.
So what's your favourite?
The middle.
The middle one. Wow, that's a bit of a shock.
Why? Why is it a shock?
Because the middle one's stripy. The top one's coral trout, the bottom one's sweet lip. Wow. There you go, guys. Shock horror. You love it? Good chewing? It'll make a poo? Yeah, you can have another one. Get into it. Straight into the second row, the stripy. So results are in. Doesn't matter what type of fish you catch. If you cook it and crumb it, you can get your kids to eat fish. That is the moral of the story. So, stripies over coral trout and sweet lip. That was in the chicken crumb stuff. So tell them it's chicken nuggets and they'll eat fish. Pro tip. Not really pro, but tip. See you later, boys.
You'll need to catch me different more fish.
Different more fish. Which ones? 1, 2 or 3? What do you want me to catch more of?
This one, 1 and 2.
Don't worry about 3.
And get me another one, please.
Alright, stripies. You like stripies. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Stripies, no worries. High five. I'm going to high five your ass in a minute. You keep that up. Go to bed.
Nope.
Oh yeah. Also, Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. Cheers!